EWAT means exercising while on oxygen, and it is something that we use a lot in our clinic. If you have a body part that has been diseased and not healthy for a long period of time, it affects every cell in that body part. Think of every cell as a little house. If you keep a house well, you have to regularly clean it. But when you have a diseased body part or a body part with complex regional pain syndrome or that has been injured and in pain for a long period of time, very often the blood supply is affected in that body part. So why do we need good blood supply? It brings oxygen to the cells. Why is oxygen important? Oxygen is the thing that cleans out the cells and it feeds the cell. So you need good food into your house and you need to take the trash out. When a cell doesn't have oxygen available to it, it will swell up and turn into this toxic little blob. Why does that happen? We have oxygen-rich plasma reaching the cells. It is too small for red blood cells, so we have these tiny capillaries that carry oxygen-rich plasma to the cells. If you have this big blob of a cell and it's just swelling and swelling, it's putting more pressure on the tiny capillary, and so it's like this forest fire feeding itself. So we found a loophole, and it is quite genius. The nervous system is incredibly smart, and it's always going to want you to survive. So we have you exercising, and that may sound daunting if you have complex regional pain syndrome or long COVID. You may think, I'm not able to exercise. Don't worry, we wait till later in treatment to help you at the point where you're ready to tackle this task. So you may be doing some kind of physical move, being on a bicycle or doing a sit and stand, but we're increasing your heart rate and you're wearing a special mask that is very good at regulating the oxygen supply that we expose you to. First, we will cut your oxygen supply. So it's like you go to the top of a mountain in Colorado, but you do it suddenly. And your nervous system says, oh my gosh, I don't have enough oxygen. And it overrides what your body normally would do. It forcefully dilates the capillaries, and that gives us a golden moment to pump very pure oxygen to the diseased tissue so that the tissue dumps the toxins.